Hello everyone, welcome to part 223 of Advanced E-commerce Series in Laravel 8. So we are going to continue working on the newsletter subscriber for one more time, okay? And in this video, we are going to provide the export feature for the newsletter subscriber, okay? So we have added the link export link in last video, but still the functionality is pending that we are going to cover in this video, okay? So here whatever the list of users maybe, and we are want to export that list, I will add one two more results into this list so that we can able to export that this from here, like rahul@yahoo.com, and we can also add others like this one, and also we can add others. See, all this is possible with help of ajax. Okay, 4 we have registered. Now we can check, okay, like this. So these 4 results we want to export now in csv file, and for that we are required to install the mat website package. Okay, mat website, that is one of the good package provided by the Laravel for the export, for exporting the records in csv format. Okay, so we are going to use the mat website package 3.1 version, that is supported by the Laravel 6, Laravel 7 and 8, means the upper version of Laravel 6. Okay, it will not work in Laravel 5 version. So see, this project itself is good for the Laravel 6 and updated versions of Laravel. So see, it is available for the Laravel 6 and the higher version of the Laravel. Okay, Laravel 6, 7 and 8. So first of all, we are going to install this smart website package from the composer command. Okay, we have seen that we able to uh, see, we can able to install any of the package for our project. Okay, so here ecom 6, we are going to right click new terminal at folder, and we are going to run one command like composer require mart website, name is mart website slash excel. Okay, so this is the package we are required to install. So this package will install the latest version available. I think the latest version is 3 point something. Okay, the latest version is 3. We can check in composer.json file of the project. We can remove the earlier files, we can close the earlier files, and then we can able to check this package of the mart website. See, it's 3.1. Okay, so it's good for our Laravel 8 project. And now see, one more file we are required to create now, that is the subscriber export file, php artisan make export. Okay, like we have used earlier, make model, make controller. Okay, so in the same way we can use the make export. So this is the different kind of strategy that mart website provides. So we can create a separate file for export. Okay, so here we can name it like subscribers export, subscribers export, like this. Okay, so we can open this file now, subscribers export. So here this function, collection function, we are going to update. Okay, but before that we are going to create the route for export, and also we are going to update that link. Okay, here we are going to update that link, this export link. Okay, we will add the route here, and route we are going to make like it's under add no we are going to make like export newsletter subscribers, export, yeah, we will put this in admin, so we can make it admin slash. Okay, export newsletter email, we can also export newsletter emails. Okay, this is the route that we will use. So same route we are going to make its route here uh, inside admin. We can create here. Okay, export newsletter emails. Okay, so this function we are going to create inside newsletter controller, inside admin, after delete. Okay, so we are going to create one function like public function, uh, this one, export newsletter emails. Okay, so inside this function we are going to write like return excel. We are going to download, this is the syntax of mart website, so we need to use it like this. So here the file name will come, that file name is new subscribers export. So it's subscribers export. Okay, we are going to do it like this, and new subscriber export, and the file name is, we are going to make it like subscribers dot xls. We are going to make it x also. Okay, new subscribers export. So now we are going to update the collection function. Okay, but uh, at the top of the newsletter controller we need to add that subscriber export file, this file, this class. Okay, that we need to add here at the top. So we can add it here, use app exports, this one. Okay, and we are required to use its package as well. Use smart website and excel, is excel packets, and inside packets excel. Okay, so now the last thing we are required to do, we are required to update this collection. First of all, we are going to export all the data. Okay, for exporting complete table without any condition. Okay, and for that we are going to like return newsletter subscriber, that is our model all. Okay, we can try like this. Here we will use app newsletter subscriber. Okay, so we are going to check it once, and let's see what will happen. Refresh, export. Here you can able to export, and now we are going to check here. We can check downloads folder. Here it comes. See, it is going to show the list of emails. Let's see, nothing is coming, no data is coming here. See, we are going to check why no data is coming here. Newsletter subscriber, here we have the data, but here we not able to export anything. Okay, so here it seems to be one issue here. It must be like this. Okay, can try again now. Refresh, export. Now we are going to check. Yeah, this time we able to export. Okay, so now we are required to add the headings. Okay, so for that we will add here another class we are going to add here, and that class we are required to add. Okay, so we are going to add here one more after this one, that is use smart website excel and concerns, and now this time we will add with headings, this one. Okay, and this one subscriber over implement from collection, we are going to add this one as well. Okay, so now collection is fine, and this one more function we are going to add here. Okay, so this function is public function. Okay, and here we are going to add headings. Okay, headings function we are going to add here, nothing to pass inside this one, but we are going to add the array here. Okay, so this array. Okay, so this one same array we are going to add here. Okay, so now return id email. Okay, subscribe on, like this, fine. And we can now check once, and here see, now we are not we don't want all the data, we just want the specific data. We just want to export selected columns, and for exporting selected columns, okay, we are going to write this data here, dollar subscribers data, and newsletter subscriber select. Here we are going to select the required data that we are want to uh, export. Where status one. Here we are going to add see, that's why we have done this status. We will only export whose status is active. We are not going to export everything. Okay, so we are going only export whose status is active, and we will use the order by. We will start from the descending order. Okay, and finally we will use the get here, and then we return dollar subscribers data. Now see, now we want to use the export feature once again. Let's export. Let's see the data here. So now see, it's fine, id email and subscribe on date. So we are going to check here once again, we able to export. Okay, so this list we able to export. Here we can check that we able to export the data. Okay, all the emails. Okay, subscribe now is not that much necessary, these emails are very important. Okay, so we will get all the emails that we can use for the third party for sending the newsletter to the customers. Okay, so we will work on the other export features like order export, products export, coupons export. Okay, all these export features as well in the future videos, and more features we are going to do in the Laravel e-commerce website in the upcoming videos. So please stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.